Hello everyone, a Hello World program is a simple program that display Hello World on the screen. Since it's a very simple program, it's often used to introduce programming language to beginners. So first let's start. First we will start button on your screen and then we'll click on your Python editor. So here you can see here's ideally is a Python editor. So we will click on this button and now you will see this window. This is the Python editor. Now we are creating a new file, so we'll create a program or in a new file, and now we will write our first program. First I'm using a hash statement. So in the program hash there is a program to print hello world is a comment. So first we will write a comment. It will not execute in your programming. It is just for understanding the code for the user, so what you are going to make. In second line, actually this code will run. It's a print function, and print is a built-in Python function. It displays the content inside the quotation mark. So I'm writing hello world inside the print function. So first line, it's a comment. Comments are used by the user to better understand the code, which is generally ignored by the Python interpreter. In second line, you can see there is a print statement, and the print statement hello world display hello world on the screen. So when we will type these two lines, we will save our program first, and I'm saving this my first file as a first one, and I'm using desktop to save this location, and then I will run this program. Here run tab. You can also use F5 key for run. You can see the output window. It's print hello world. So this is our first program.